I definitely wanted my career to be something that impacted the world in some way. Community solar is opportunity for people in the community to gain power from the solar farms without having the panels. My name's Evaleah. I work at Nexamp and I am a DGO, a distributed generational operator. I monitor solar sites and make sure they're performing as expected. After high school, I was stuck on what to do. I didn't know what career I wanted to choose. I like to be hands-on and I like to try new things, so I got into a solar program. They trained me on all different fields of solar technician work and they referred me to Nexamp.
We have the ability here in the United States to make all of our electricity from renewables. My name's Will Thompson and I'm a co-founder of Nexamp. Community solar is a program in several states whereby at a farm like this one, we can designate a portion of the panels to specific homes and businesses. Solar photovoltaic arrays utilize the visible sunlight from the sun to convert the sun's energy into usable electricity that the grid can use. The solar arrays generate solar credits, which we then allocate to municipalities in blocks to meet their energy demand. It doesn't have any emissions, it's passive, and it's clean, renewable energy. There's an abundance of opportunity for skilled folks who want to work in renewable energy to do so without having a college degree. I always remind folks to look at the Massachusetts Clean Energy Center website specifically for internships. It's possible in many markets to make six figures relatively young in your career. Today we're monitoring about 800 megawatts of solar and 125 megawatt hours of energy storage at over 400 sites. We've got a few screens behind me. In the top left corner is New England map. All of those individual circles represent assets. If they're orange, they're fully producing. Over in the lower right-hand side, that's what we call a linear regression. It shows energy production over the last 24 hours, and we like to see the assets right along or above the line. Image behind me is part of our recloser dashboard. That's so that we can remotely open and close the assets. Over on the right, we have displays for our energy storage assets and schedules for charging and discharging in a variety of markets. Evaleah is a great example of one of the folks that we're targeting through our workforce development programs. It is a lucrative career and there's great chance for growth. I'm a good example of renewable energy being a very rewarding and lucrative career over time. You know, starting out having been in the Army and then coming back home, doing the installations, working in residential and commercial sales, commercial project management, and then becoming a leader in asset management. To have these opportunities to work in renewables, but also grow within Nexamp in the industry to follow in our footsteps and take over and lead Nexamp and similar organizations.
Knowing that I am doing something for greater good is definitely fun for me.